Hi everyone, welcome back. So in our last videos, we discussed the anatomy of the classic Hello World program. In today's video, we are going to explore variables and data types. Variables and data types in C are the fundamental concepts that form the building blocks of any program. In programming, a variable is a named storage location in memory that holds a value. Think of it as a box with a label where you can store different kinds of information such as numbers, text, or characters. Now let's talk about how you declare variables in C. In C, you declare a variable by specifying its data type followed by its name. Let's look at these few examples. Here we have declared variables to store an integer, a floating point number, and a single character. As you can see from this image that we've declared an age to be an integer, a height to be a float, and then the first initial to be a character. Once you declare variable, you can initialize it with a value. For example, int score equals 100, float pi equals 3.14, and char grade equals capital A. Now let's talk about data types. C supports various data types, each designed for different kinds of data. Some common data types include integers, which are used to store integer values, float, which is used to store floating point values, and char, which is used to store single characters, and double, which is used to store the double precision floating point values. And void is to represent the absence of a data type. These are just a few examples, and C provides additional types that suit different needs, and then we will talk about those in the coming videos. Each data type has a specific size in memory and a range of values it can represent. For example, an int typically occupies 4 bytes of memory and can represent values from -2 billion to +2 billion. It is essential to choose the appropriate data type based on the range and precision required for your program. In addition to variables, C allows you to define constants, which are values that cannot be changed during the execution of the program. You can define constants using the const keyword. Here, max score and pi are constants initialized with values 100 and 3.14 respectively. Variables and data types are essential concepts in C programming. They allow you to store and manipulate data, enabling you to build more complex programs. In the next video, we will explore operators and expressions in C. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more programming tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and I will see you in the next one.
For every single thing you've given me, I'm grateful.